So in this video we are going to discuss about this molarity and solubility. What is molarity? Molarity means the mole of solute dissolve as per mole per dm cube, which means like at the volume we are talking about, more volume of solution at 25 is the optimum temperature as well as the 298 Kelvin. So if we talk about this one, there the unit will be what? Unit will be mole per dm cube. Alright. Solubility means the gram of solute. Here we have discussed the mole, the gram of solute dissolved per dm cube, which means gram per dm cube. Unit will be what? Gram per dm cube, and here the unit is what? Mole per dm cube. So this was about this is the room temperature, will be also the same 25 centigrade in this one. Now we are going to discuss about the problems. First problem is that solubility. Here we are going to discuss about the problem of molarity and solubility. Solubility of AgCl is this gram per dm cube, which means it's talking about solubility. This is the silver chloride at 25 optimum temperature. We define the KSP, which means the ionic product. So here the as you guys all know, we are having the solubility is there, which means we have to solubility we take in mole per dm cube, alright, because of the concentration. But here solubility will be converted into the molarity first, then we will be able to find the concentration of the ionic product. So as you guys all know, the molarity is equal to the solubility upon molecular formula. Alright, so m is equal to the 1.4 multiplied 10 to the power minus 3 upon. So the answer is what? Answer is 9.7 multiplied 10 to the power 6 mole per dm cube. Here the concentration is here. So this is what this we have find it out. What we have find out the concentration. Alright, so here you can see that we have written what? Here we have written the molecular formula, and here we have written the solubility of this. Now AgCl, which is converted into the Ag plus and chloride. So this is what? This is the ionic product. This is we have written X is the molarity or concentration that we will be finding out. So KSP we can written here that KSP is equal to Ag and Cl. We don't know the concentration, so we can write here X and X. Alright, so here we are having the X, which is 9.7 multiplied 10 to the power 6. Alright, here we have finding out the concentration. Alright, here we have written X when we were not known. Here we have find it out, so we are putting the value of these both X. So the answer after multiplying is the KSP is equal to the 9.4 multiplied 10 to the power 11. So X mole which is the mole square, and dm cube are both dm cube which is equal to the dm6. So this will be the unit. So this is the first problem that we have solved. Alright, second problem if we talk about, that is, for example, the solubility of magnesium hydroxide is, this is the solute, is 0.00764 dm cube. We have to find the what? We have to find the KSP. So solubility, which means that solute dissolve less, that can be the acid, base and whatever. So solubility here we are having what? 0.0076 mole per gram per dm cube. We have to find the KSP. So here we are having what we can write the equation mg plus, all right. Here the x, and here we are having the 2, so we can write it 2, all right. 2x. So 2x concentration we are not known about, all right. So we can write here the ksp is equal to the, here we have written this one, so we can write ksp is equal to the mg. In this we have written ksp is equal to the mg plus NOH. Here we have written a 2, which is of the this coefficient. Now it will be equal to the, this one is equal to the x because we are not known about the concentration. Here we have written 2x, which means the coefficient, and the concentration which we are not known, all right. So here we have written what, here we have written the square of this square, and just because of this we have written this value same and square is same. So here the ksp is equal to, so ksp will be equal to the 2 to the 4 x3, alright. It will be multiplied by 2x to the, this will be the x3, alright. So which will be equal to, we can write here that 4 and x, we have known the value of this, which is this one, so we can write here 0.00764 cube. So answer is, we are having, that is basically 4.00 into 10 is power. So that will be the answer, will be in the unit. If you talk about, that is mole per dm cube. So that was about this problem that we have discussed about the solubility, all right. So this was about today's problem that we have discussed about the molality and solubility.